What are we going to get into today? Well, today we are going to make a root beer moonshine. I've made this before. It is fantastic, and I just wanted some because I haven't had it in a while. Okay, it's very easy to make. It's made with water, sugar, root beer extract, vanilla extract. It's very, very easy. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, I have to say, welcome to Moonshine Wednesday. All right, so let's get started. And you'll find this is so easy to make and pretty darn quick. All right, it don't take much to make this. So what we need, like I always said, I'll put the ingredients down in the description box. So we need 2 cups of sugar. All right. And then what we will do, we'll do 2 cups of water. All right. 1 and 2. All right. Now all we want to do is get enough heat under that, just to melt the sugar. You don't have to boil it. You just want to melt the sugar. And what we're doing is we're making our base, and you'll find it won't take, sorry about the noise. It won't take long to melt this. This is a great summertime drink. It's getting hot out. I like it on ice. You can put ice cream in it. Make a good cocktail that way. So what I'm going to do, because it does call for, I'm going to go ahead and put it in now. It does call for 4 cups of water. Usually it's, in my experience, it's half, because that's 100 proof shine, so dilute it in half. So in total, you're going to have 4 cups of water. It won't take long to melt this. Everybody enjoying summer so far? I know I sure am. All right, sugar's all melted. All right, so what we want now, and we're going to go ahead and put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And if you like a little bit more, that's okay. 1 teaspoon of that. And then 1 tablespoon. Oh. One tablespoon of the root beer extract. A bottle of this, I forget what I paid for it. It goes a long way. Okay, just give that a quick stir. And then 1 quart, 4 cups of, 1 quart or 4 cups of your favorite shine. Give that a stir. Now, we just got to fill jars. Now here, these jars here, and I've said this in the past, because it's going to look like you get a lot more, but these are jars, somebody gave me a couple cases of these jars. and they were like when you get Old Smoky and stuff, moonshines, you know, for their legal stuff, and they're 750 milliliters. So, okay, I had to find my ladle. That's the easiest way I found to not make a mess. Let me give it one more stir. I mean, I like this particularly just over ice myself, or just leave the jar in the refrigerator and drink it right out of the jar. I think I can pour it now. Okay. Now, I'll put some lids on this. And what do I always say that you need to make sure you do? That's right, put labels on it, and I always like to put the date and stuff on there, what it is, because you won't remember. All right, I mean, that's beautiful. It looks like root beer, smells like root beer. Let's give it a try. Oh, tastes like root beer with just a little bit of a burn to it. All right, that is delicious. One of them is going to go in the refrigerator right now. All right, so how easy can you get with that? You can't get no easier than that. Like I said, that's root beer. That's anybody would enjoy that. If you're having, like I say, you're having a gathering over your house, you break that out, you sit it on the table, you're going to turn around and it's going to be empty. That is a fantastic drink. Everybody enjoys. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Still Works and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. All right.